Someone trying to break into local homes, and it's caught on camera. Police say he even got a foot in the door at one of the homes before the homeowner scared him away. This is KOIN 6 News at 4 o'clock. I'm Jennifer Hoff.
And I'm Dan Tilkin. Police say the suspect attempted to get into at least 4 homes in Wilsonville. Amy Frazier's live in Wilsonville with this crime alert.
Dan, the suspect tried to get into some of the homes here in this neighborhood in the middle of the night. But what he didn't realize is that many of the homes have doorbell cameras. Wilsonville police and neighbors are sharing some of the surveillance video, hoping someone might recognize the young man. Around 4 a.m. Sunday, police say he went from home to home, jiggling door handles, trying to get in. In one of the cases not on camera, he briefly succeeded. Police say he used keys that had been left in a car to unlock the house door. He had a foot in the door when a family member heard him, yelled, and scared him off. In one of the other cases, the homeowner tells me he got the doorbell camera around the holidays in part because of package thefts. Now he hopes someone will recognize the person trying to break in.
It would be great for the police to be able to find somebody, again, partly to maybe help correct this guy and maybe prevent him from doing this in the future, but also, you know, if he walks into the wrong house and attempts the wrong action against someone who's armed or, you know, feeling threatened, that could have gone poorly for him or the homeowner. So.
Now, police believe there are actually 2 people involved. The suspect appears to be working with someone in a Mini Cooper with a white top. If you can help with this case, you're asked to contact Wilsonville Police. Reporting live in Wilsonville, Amy Frazier, KOIN 6 News.
Pretty clear video. Thank you, Amy. Now